Well, I'm back with the finished product. The 1970 Camaro has been completed. It's been about 2 years, and there's some missing footage which I still will publish in the future. I think I left off after the paint was in and the new brake system was installed. So here I'm going to just do a little quick synopsis with these photos, and then I'm going to do some driving videos at the end to show you it does indeed function, and it still has a few little kinks to work out. My clutch isn't working right, and some suspension mods are probably going to be in order, but here we go. Enjoy. Gotta get the door shut. Finally got an alternator that works. 14.6. It's not going into first gear. Oh, there she goes. Gotta avoid all the obstacles. Started right up on a cold start with no choke. Of course, it is 80 degrees out. I'll let it warm up a little here. We got almost 60 psi. Still warming up. I turn these gauges so that when they're at normal operating range, they're facing straight up. Makes it easier to tell at a glance if there's an issue. Fuel gauge doesn't seem to be doing anything. I know the tank is low, but it's basically showing empty. We'll see how the power steering does. Running a little rich. Man, this car is dirty. Alright, let's see how she do. I should have clipped it to the visor here, it would have been good. Do have brakes. Almost forgot to test that. Okay, the alignment's off a little bit. It's definitely wandering. She shifts okay. My clutch adjuster needs a little work. Woohoo! I'm doing it! I'm really doing it! It's driving after 2 years! Whoa! Eyes on the road. Not bad. 1500 RPM at 35. Or 38, 40. It's got a tall rear end gear, that's for sure. Alright, I gotta turn around here somewhere. I don't want to get stuck too far away from home if something happens. And the alignment's definitely wacky. She wanders. Let's see if I can turn around somewhere here. Yeah, the brakes are a little weird. I gotta bleed the brakes. Definitely need to get the air out of the brake lines. Here. I'm trying to find reverse. Oh, I got it. Just wait for this guy to go here. Well, the carburetor seems to be tuned all right. It's not stalling out. Oh, backfire there. She was too rich. Oh yeah, she stumbles. Either the accelerator pump's not good or she stumbles when you floor it. It's got a little rough spot. There she goes. And synchros work. The transmission's good. I don't have a problem with the tranny. So that's one relief. Yeah. Either too rich or too lean when you mash the pedal. So let's see what's going on there. Probably too rich is my guess. I'm gonna have to change the jets or something. Needs a little toe in. And the steering wheel. Well, I guess I could just change the bolt position. The steering wheel's off a little bit. Straight ahead is not straight ahead. Second gear. She liked second gear. I guess the fans are on. I forgot to look at the temperature. It says like around 190 on the gauge. Weird that the alternator's hot. That's hot. Wow, that's really hot. Why is the alternator hot? I guess everything's pretty hot. Power steering seems to be working now that I took out that pressure control valve. Cleaned the screen on it. That seems to be functioning now. The belt kept slipping and I couldn't keep the adjustment tight. But it was just air in the lines and dirt. Yeah, this is not the best place to have the temp sensor. It should be in the head. I might have to change that. I do have an extra port on one of these here. I can get in there. Alright. Well, it's dirty, but thank God I don't see. Wait a minute. I don't know if there's metal in there or not. It's dirt. Freaking a lot of dirt. Let me get a running hot. Always above 180. Too much traffic ahead of me. We'll go this way. Alright, no more flat spot. I think the power valve and the jetting of that. Now when you... Holy cow. Third gear. Alright, I want to tell you what that was. Obviously my tachometer only revs to 15. I'm gonna have to change the tachometer. That thing's shot. It doesn't work with an HEI ignition for some stupid reason. The engine cooled down. A little air through the radiator. That helps. I don't know, I didn't do any, I'm afraid with this used clutch, I don't know what's going to happen. Let's try a dig here. Something was scraping, that's weird. Oh, you know what? My tire was probably rubbing on the fender. Oh, I bet you that's what it was. Yeah, this tachometer is so not worth anything. Doesn't want to work with this type of ignition, I guess. Alright, but she runs, you know, whatever.